everyone, this is Eric from Lachance group. Today I'd like to share about the mycotoxins in corn. We all know that corn is the main source of energy in livestock and poultry feed, and it also called the king of energy. Its price is low and the production is very high. Especially in the United States, corn is the main economic crop. But at the same time, corn is also the feed ingredient most easily to have a mycotoxin problem. And it can be said that mycotoxins are inevitable because corn will more or less to produce mycotoxins during the growth and storage. The harms of mycotoxin to animals include weak immunity, increased mortality, sickness, slow growth, decreased feed intake, decreased feed efficiency, decreased reproductive capability, and so on, which increase the breeding costs of farmers and steal their profits. In order to reduce the impact of mycotoxins, besides the need to pay attention to the selection and storage of corn raw materials, adding mycotoxin binder is a good way. The mechanism of mycotoxin binders is to combine with mycotoxins to prevent them from being absorbed by the intestines. But you know, mycotoxin binders do not work on all types of mycotoxins, and the absorption rate is limited, usually between 10 to 30%, and the highest is no more than 40%. And the first organ harmed by the mycotoxins is the liver, and you know, the liver is the most important organ for detoxification. So, protecting the health of the liver is the most important thing to solve the mycotoxin problem and ensure your profits. Among the feed additives that can protect the liver, I recommend the Bioacids. Let me share you why. One of the main factors affecting liver health is the toxins in animal, and the other is the accumulation of fat in the liver. Because bioacids can promote the liver to secrete a large amount of thin bile, and this large amount of thin bile can take various toxins out of the liver, such as endotoxins and mycotoxins. And secondly, bioacids can also help timely remove fat in the liver from the body through its various biological activities in animals. So, bioacids can fundamentally protect the liver health through these two ways, which are also the most effective. In addition, bioacids can also bind mycotoxins in the intestine, remove them with feces, and bioacids can turn mycotoxins into non-toxic substance to a certain extent. If you add bioacids in the feed, it can replace about 50% of mycotoxin binders in the feed and balance part of the cost for you. So, the use of bioacids and mycotoxin binder together can solve the mycotoxin problem to the greatest extent and ensure your profits. Thank you. See you next time.